All right, guys, 3 for today. This actually came in a couple of days ago. I believe I ran across this company on Instagram, maybe, or YouTube. But it's called the Earthling Company, which is interesting because I thought we were all Earthlings. But they had their advertisement was for healthy hair products that are good for your hair and your scalp and contribute to hair growth and what have you. So I took a chance on them. They had a sandalwood scent, so I got a sweet sandalwood shampoo and conditioning bar. Now right away, I have talked about shampoo bars in the past. It hasn't been recently and it hasn't been a lot. But for those of you not in the know, you may be like, wait a minute, doesn't shampoo come in a bottle that you pour? The answer is yes and no. Yes, usually, but it can also come as a bar. If you've never used a shampoo bar, they can be interesting. I've used probably 2 or 3 of them, and one of them in particular, I don't remember which one, I didn't review it, I really liked. It lathered nicely, it rinsed really well, it was great. I've used a few others since that were like, so-so. I've got a few actually in my drawer to review that I bought before these. But I figured I'd at least do an unboxing and show these to you guys. And then maybe I'll talk about them later. But the idea behind the shampoo bar is that you're really getting the same effect. You just have it in a solid form that lathers up and breaks down in water and should have the same cleaning properties and the same rinsing properties as a liquid shampoo, but without all the plastic bottle waste and without effectively selling you water, which is a primary ingredient of most shampoos and conditioners. To obviously put it in a liquid form, they have to put it in a water base. So this just eliminates that. It's a little more streamlined, a little more minimalist, and it just comes in a cardboard box packaging. So real simple. So for those of you who are curious and for whom this is a concern, these are vegan, cruelty-free, and made for all hair types. They're free of artificial fragrances and dyes, and they're free of, this is the big one for me, free of sulfates, silicones, parabens, and phthalates. They're also climate neutral certified and certified organic, so that's good. And somewhere in here, they're manufactured in the USA. I don't know if you can read that. So that's good. It's good stuff. I have never used a conditioner bar before, so I'll be interested to see how that works. Historically, I've not been a huge fan of conditioners. I do see the benefit of them. I probably should condition more than I do, but since I use oil-based products pretty regularly, I generally consider it kind of redundant to use conditioner. Now that I'm using more water-based pomades, it probably wouldn't hurt to kind of combat the dryness. You can see my hair today is pretty dry. It doesn't have any product in it right now, but yeah. So I'll be interested to see how these work, and I will report back to you on them, as well as the other shampoo bars that I have. And I'll try to, at that time, put some pictures up of the packaging and the ingredients lists. So one other thing that came with this, I think it was just included in whatever offer they were doing, but I thought it was kind of cool, and I can never have too many of these, is they included a wooden soap bar holder which is kind of cool. This is a design I haven't seen before. It's more of like a sawtooth trough type, which allows the water to drain away from the soap so that it doesn't melt or break down prematurely. And I've got a spot in my shower here where this will go, and I think it'll be pretty nice. Not sure what kind of wood it is. Doesn't really have a strong scent like pine or anything, so who knows. Thank you guys for checking in. More to come later.